大家好，歡迎嚟到 Econ DSE 題目拆解。今日我哋嚟講2026 DSE MC 嘅第2條。咁呢一條就係講咧喺深圳嘅牙醫咧，通常就會係比起香港嘅牙醫會 charge 一個低啲嘅費用啦。但係咧，我哋就需要去有一個長啲嘅穿梭時間啦，即係去深圳嘅時間就遠過去香港啦。咁但係除咗一樣嘢咧，香港有好多市民因為深圳平啲嘅緣故咧，就會去深圳嗰度睇牙啦。咁咧我哋就要睇下以下3個選項邊一個選項係啱。咁我哋即刻嚟睇下啦。第一個選項咧就係話 the cost of Hong Kong residents to visit private dentists in Shenzhen would increase if more time is required to cross the border。咁幾多 cost 咧？我哋就知道咧，一定係同呢一個 total cost 有關啦。咁 total cost 係咩啊？就係 money cost 啦、time cost 啦，同埋 risk 啦。咁喺第一個選項裏邊，因為佢話需要穿梭多啲時間啊嘛 ，more time is required，咁就係 time cost 係高咗啦。當 time cost 係高咗嘅時候 ，total cost 係高咗啦，所以咪 cost 咪 increase 咯。所以 increase 係啱嘅，第一個選項係啱嘅。咁第二個選項係咩啊？就係話 the service quality of private dentists in both places would not affect the cost of Hong Kong residents to visit private dentists in Shenzhen。咁佢就係話啦，當一個 service quality 喺 both places 係唔會 affect cost 嘅。咁呢一個選項係錯嘅。點解啊？因為的確，如果喺深圳佢嘅 service quality 低咗或者高咗，咁都係影響呢個 chosen option 啦。咁但係如果喺香港佢嘅 service quality 係高或者低咗，佢係會影響你嘅 highest value option forgone啦。咁即係會影響你個 opportunity cost。咁其實係會有影響到嘅，所以係 would affect 嘅。所以第二個選項係錯嘅。而第三個選項咧，就係講 those Hong Kong residents with higher time cost， 即係通常就係一啲專業人士或者一啲比較高人工嘅人啦。咁咧佢哋就話佢哋一啲有高 time cost 嘅人就會相對希望會visit 喺香港嘅牙醫多過喺深圳嘅牙醫。咁點解呢個選項係啱啊？咁原因就係因為咧，我畫一個表出嚟。咁呢個就係 cost 啦。假設喺深圳，我哋需要用到嘅時間可能係4個鐘，而喺香港只需要2個鐘。而喺深圳睇一次牙醫可能係1000蚊咁樣，而喺香港睇一次牙醫可能係真係比較貴，可能要2000蚊。咁對於嗰啲高人工嘅人，可能佢每一個鐘係可以賺到1000蚊嘅。咁佢喺睇深圳呢4個鐘，咪已經損失咗4000蚊。而喺香港佢只會損失2000蚊。咁即使喺深圳 的確你見到係平啲，但係喺 total cost 嚟講，佢都係比香港高。咁所以咧，喺香港一啲 with high time cost 嘅人咧，就會選擇用一啲喺香港嘅牙醫。咁所以第3個選項都係啱啦。所以一條我哋果斷選 B。